In this video, I'll show you how to make your highlights private on Facebook, including a workaround since Facebook doesn't allow direct privacy control on highlights. Open the Facebook app and go to your profile. Scroll down to the Details section and tap on the highlight you want to hide. Tap the three dots at the top right corner and select Edit Highlight. You'll notice the highlight is set to public and there's no option to make it private. So here's the workaround. Go back, find the specific story inside that highlight, tap the three dots and select Save Photo. This saves the content directly to your phone. Now tap the three dots once more and this time select Delete Highlight. Confirm by tapping OK. The highlight is now removed from your profile. No one can see it. Your saved photo stays in your gallery, so you still have access to it anytime. That's the most effective way to make a Facebook highlight private right now.